In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command 7-inch or 5-inch touchscreen panel. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you receive a low battery message on your system panel, touchscreen, or in your ADT control app. First, make sure you have everything you need to change the battery. Remember, to maintain your system's warranty, this battery must be purchased on myadt.com or by calling 1-800-ADT-ASAP. Let's begin. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system by tapping the grid icon, followed by entering your user code on your command touchscreen. Then, follow these steps to shut the system down. This should stop tamper alerts, beeps, or notifications from happening while you work. You're now ready to change the battery. Since the battery pack is located inside the touchscreen, you'll need to take the panel off the backplate to access it. Using a small, electrically insulated screwdriver, remove the small bottom screw that's securing the panel to the backplate. Slide the panel up and off the backplate, being careful not to damage the connected wiring. For ease, hook the plastic strap inside the panel onto the mounted backplate. This supports the touchscreen without putting stress on the wires. You may hear a tamper sound or beeping on the panel during this process. Don't worry, this is normal. Now, gently disconnect the old battery pack's 3-prong connector plug from the receptacle. Remove the screw securing the battery retainer. Then, remove the battery retainer and carefully pull the used battery pack from the compartment. Place the new battery pack into the battery compartment with the connector cable oriented correctly. Reinstall the battery retaining clip and secure it with the provided screw. Insert the battery pack's 3-prong plug into the receptacle on the panel. You can now remount it by aligning the grooves on the back and sides of the panel with the hooks and grooves on the backplate. Slide the panel down onto the backplate until it clicks in place, and make sure the panel is completely seated in the backplate. Once attached, insert the bottom screw and secure the panel to the backplate. For desk stand users, once the bottom screw is secure, place the plug back into the electrical outlet. If a tamper alert was activated, you'll want to clear the alert and stop the beeping. On your command panel, tap the grid icon in the lower right corner and enter your user code. Then repeat this sequence. This should stop the beeping. That's it. You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your command touchscreen. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with an agent.